Welcome to part 35 of building our tiny house, and in this video we are gonna be installing our windows. Well, not all the windows. We have 6 plastic windows and the rest of the windows are just double glazed but not framed yet. That is gonna be a whole other process to frame them, but let's focus on today's video to get all the 6 plastic windows in. One of them is also gonna go here, so it is quite a big milestone, I feel, to be putting windows in. When we got them, I was like, it's gonna take a while to put them in, but now we already have it all wrapped up and ready for the windows, so I am very excited. So let's get started with this video, and this video is also sponsored by NordVPN. More on them later. So yeah, let's get started with this window over here. We do have to do some taping and then I guess install it. I'll be happy once all the windows are in and not cracked. So before we can actually install the windows, we do have to give them a little bit of a clean, since I'm not sure if you mentioned it, but those are second-hand windows. They're used, so they have some foam from the previous building, and I think this is gonna be the biggest budget cut that we have done in our tiny house. I don't want to know how expensive it would have been to put all new windows, and let us know in the comments down below how much you think we paid for the used windows, and if you want to see a video doing a comparison of buying them new. So let's give them a quick clean and install them.
So before we move on to the next windows, we have to thank our sponsor, NordVPN. And since we are securing the house and protecting it from weather, we also need to secure ourselves online, and NordVPN is the best tool to do this. It's a VPN that protects your identity online, and it has defensive security that protects your device and yourself online while you're browsing through internet. I've been using NordVPN for years, and even before they started sponsoring us, and it's been amazing, and we've been able to watch TV shows that otherwise we couldn't, such as Despina is from Greece and German TV she wants to watch sometimes, and Greek TV, so she's able to access other areas with a VPN. That's a good benefit for us as well. Plus we also watch a lot of American TV, so it is easy for us to switch our location and watch the TV shows that we like without needing to go there and watch them on the spot in the country. That is definitely a big benefit of using a VPN, but the protection is the biggest benefit. So make sure you check out the link in the description, and it is 30-day money back guarantee, so you can just try it out, see if you like it, and see the benefits of it. So let's now move on with the rest of the windows and make sure this house is more secure than ever. Kind of annoying not to be see-through, but...
I mean, it's a bathroom window, so you want it to be not see-through.
Yeah, I guess.
you can see, we have the next morning and we're going to continue with installing the windows for the top floor. As you saw, all the ones downstairs are done, but before we get on with foaming, we want to install all of them and then just go with a foam gun on all the windows and foam them. And so far, I love it. So let's get this window in. First prepare it, stick it and everything, and then get the window and yeah, see how it looks with it, and continue with the other two on the other side of the wall.
Hands free, maybe. You could slide it up as well. I put you on the bottom now.
Alright, well that worked much better than I thought actually.
Yeah?
Whew. Got it. Nice. Whoa.
How did I got hot just from that?
I also got hot. It's stress hot.
It's stress, yeah, as well.
Well, this is the last window, and with this one we have finished installing all 6 windows. And yeah, now it's the time to foam them up so we can secure them in place even better and more proper. As you saw, we did put the metal brackets that we had. So yeah, now it's time to foam it in. And yeah, I am very excited. It actually turned out to be much more easier job than I was expecting. It was terrifying me more than it actually was. It was a really chill job. And yeah, I think we have gotten better and better with every window installation. We were getting faster, quicker. And yeah, it was kind of like a pretty chill job compared to everything else we have done in this tiny house. So let's now get on and foam them all sealed. And yeah, that is gonna be a very good job done.
$690.
How much did you thought you paid?
4 to 10 or something. It was the expensive. The other one was $570. The greener car. I guess I did buy the most expensive Macroflex. The other one was...
I mean, we don't want them falling. I mean, they wouldn't fall off.
Oh, this is pro.
It's like proper.
Quality for professionals.
Are we professional?
4 times stronger.
I guess at this point you could call us professional.
Yes.
We have done so many windows.
50% extra noise cancellation.
Better 20% more heat insulation. Okay. Long lasting and UV protected. Nice.
Do you think one is enough?
I
Should
don't know.
be.
It's a lot, right? 15 to 20 times.
Wait, does it count like...
I think I got it.
I don't even see you, so it's like a perfect bathroom window. Because I see nothing of you. Well, that was disappointing. It didn't even do 3 windows fully.
Yeah.
I hope this one is enough. Because we still have to do the outside of the other window and another 3 upstairs. Stupidly on the last window.
Yeah. This is triple glazed. I also would like our house triple glazed. So as you can see, all the plastic windows are installed, and I don't think we ever mentioned that these are used windows. And that brown one right there, the weird color, that's actually the window color I would choose for all the house. That is the best color. But of course you can't choose that with used windows. And the benefit with that one, which we noticed only now while foaming, is that that's a triple glazing window. So that's a really highly efficient window. That's what we would love for all the windows to be, triple glazing, because that's 3 layers of glass that is extremely nicely insulated. The rest is all double glazed, but there is going to be more triple glazed wood windows that we're going to install, that we're going to need to make ourselves. But that's pretty much kind of it with building installing the windows. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you check out the link in the description for NordVPN. Don't miss out the 30-day money-back guarantee. And we're going to see you in the next one when we continue on with the wood windows. See you next time. Bye-bye. Very nice.